Jesus gave Peter powerful words how his life will be. When you were younger, you used to dress yourself and go wherever you wanted. But when you grow old, you will stretch out your hands and someone else will dress you and lead you where you do not want to go. Hindi po ba kapag mas lumalaki o nagiging masagana ang karanasan sa buhay at marahil sa edad po natin, the more we can control and even direct our life. Dahil alam na natin naranasan ko na to, baka dito ako papunta. But it seems different from the Lord. As life goes on, as we age, as we learn from this world, the more we are led to withdraw our hands from controlling too much to trusting God so much. Ano po ang ibig kong sabihin batay sa mga sinabi ni Jesus kay San Pedro? Parte ng pagtanda ang sanang malakas na pagtitiwala. It is sometimes the regret of people that they have controlled life too much, that God can't even do His part anymore. But we are reminded of the words of Jesus to Peter. Dadating ang panahon, itataas mo na lamang ang kamay mo at iba ang magbibihis na sa iyo at dadalin ka sa mga lugar na hindi mo nais. But Jesus said this to signify what kind of death He would face. But let us not forget the succeeding line, the kind of death that He would glorify God. Too much holding to or control may not give God the glory, but may lead to too much self-glorification. Yung manaig ang sarili at hindi na tayo makapagbigay puri sa Diyos o harapin yung kabutihan ng Diyos. It is our lesson and our prayer that may we withdraw our hands from controlling too much to trusting God so much. Baka kung tayo na lang ang magdidesisyon, tayo na lang ang kikilos, ang gagawa ng mga pamamaraan sa buhay, at hindi na magtitiwala o marahil itataas ang kamay at magpapagabay, baka hindi na po natin pinupurihan at minamahal ang Diyos. But if we will trust God, if we will trust the hands of God so much, we know that there will be grace, there will be peace, there will be that confidence in our lives. My dear brothers and sisters, we won't be led to nowhere when we trust God so much. We might lose when we trust ourselves too much. And like Peter, we stretch out our hands, be led by the Lord, trust the Lord, and glorify God to where He wants us to be, to where He wants us to be fruitful.